The Titan Flexible Garden Hose 25 feet model is impressively light, making it easy to drag around the yard, coil up, and store even for users who struggle with heavier traditional hoses. Its three-layer construction and tough outer fabric give it a sturdy, long-lasting feel that resists abrasion and everyday wear from being pulled over concrete or rough ground. The hose maintains a steady, reliable water flow without expanding or shrinking, which helps avoid pressure drops and makes it more predictable for tasks like watering beds or rinsing off a patio. A variable internal diameter that responds to water pressure helps balance strong flow during use, with a slimmer profile when the water is off, so it feels less bulky when you are putting it away. Solid brass connectors with standard 3/4-inch garden hose threading attach securely to most outdoor faucets and nozzles, and they are far less prone to leaking or corroding than cheaper fittings. The highly flexible, kink-resistant design means you spend less time fighting twists and tangles and more time actually watering gardens, washing vehicles, or handling other outdoor chores.